Hello, this is my 2019 Spyder F3, and today I'm going to install a passenger USB right here. What you have to do is remove this here from your passenger seat. It comes with a spacer that you're gonna insert here. And you're gonna put the bolt, and then you can adjust this whatever level you like it. It has a pivot that you can go up and down on it. You can release the tension here. And then I wanted to show you that you put the cord through there. It comes with this. The red goes with the purple and the black goes with the black. It also comes with some extensions if you need it. I found that this little red part on the original cord was thick. So what I did is I grabbed a lighter and I melted the sides a little bit. And then while it was a little bit warm, I just stuck it in there and I didn't have to do anything else. I don't know if you will have the same problem that I had, but I just like pretty much melted the sides here, and then I put the whole thing in there while it was warm, and it worked. This part here, I bent it. It's just a rubber piece. As you can see, I just folded it so I can get access to it. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna fold it back, and then I'm just gonna put the seat here and tighten everything up. But it was super easy to install. Like I said, it comes with a spacer. You put that in there, then you put the USB, and then you put the bolt there, and then you just can like put it where you want it. I'm probably gonna put it like right there. And already, when I started it, I saw that this here inside lights up blue, and then I use my cord, and it was charging my phone, so it works. All right, so there you have it. I'm also gonna put a link showing you where I bought it, and I think that is it was the best option for me, at least, because I feel like my passenger can charge their phone, and I can also charge mine, since there is two ports here, and I can just run like a 3 feet or 6 feet USB charger, and I can just put it right there. All right, and I'm gonna put the link in my comments where I bought it, and leave me a comment. Thank you.